Joyer S10 electric scooter. We're going to do a review on this bad boy. We're going to take some beauty shots. We'll do an unboxing. We'll ride that sucker, and then we'll review it. Big 4, baby. Come with me, and let's check this bad boy out. Joyer electric scooter. This is the unboxing in a beautiful pool setting. Okay, let's do this unboxing in steps. Step 1. Voila. Looks beautiful. Gotta admit, I love the orange. And yeah. As long as I don't drop it into the hot tub. Love the smell of new tires, huh? Wow. Pretty nice looking, guys. It really is. Let's see what kind of, alright, we got a nice little screen up here. Thumb throttle. Wow. Alright, Joyer. Looking really good. Brakes on here. Weslin. Wesun. Sorry, I'm blind. I can read. I just gotta be able to see the letters. You freaking kidding me? Here we are, looking at the owner's manual. Owner's manual that none of us will read, but all right, when in doubt, just read the instruction booklet, and it's got all the steps right here. And here we are. Looks amazing. Nice and clean. Orange and black is really great. Screen's awesome. Turned it on, checked it out. We'll obviously check it out on the ride, but I'm digging it. Clean scooter, Joyer. Very nice. Shipped well. As you can see, not hardly a scratch. So, unboxing, you are done. I mean, I'm gonna go for a little first ride, guys. We're on 3. Whoa. That thing actually got to get going. It got go going. Has a delay in it. Whew, watch that delay. Don't jump in the pool. Very cool though. Good to have power. Every scooter has power. Everything's got nuances. Beautiful display. Look at that thing. Very cool. Look at this display. That's so cool. Got some serious delay. Okay, we got up to 32. 34. Feels a little squirrely, to be honest. This thing's only 60 pounds, so sometimes weight is good. All right, so the Scoot's got some pretty good get up and go, 0 to 20. That's for sure. Suspension, not bad. One thing I don't like the delay in the throttle. It definitely gives you an oh moment. Because you hit it, and then it takes off, and then it dies after you released it, giving you the OS moment. A little hill test going. Attaboy. Attaboy. Pull in like, yeah. Love this hill. I mean, come on. Look at these views. Sure has a little delay. That's going to be one of the minus points. Almost ate it, guys. Went for the sit down and I leaned too much. Wowzers. Woo. That'll wake your ass up. Down to 2 bars, still pulling 30, 32. Whoop, whoop. Get it, yeah. Some miles in with the bad boy. Let me tell you what I think. I think this is a pretty good scooter. Everything about it does the job of the basics. It looks good. Black and orange. Of course it looks good. Aesthetics, great. Platform, great. Little plastics, a little hard metal. Looks cool. Good for dirt. I like it. Foldability, really good. Once it locks, it is locked. Come up to the top, beautiful display. That display is so cool. Awesome, Joyer. That separates you right off the bat. Hydraulic brakes, front and back, really good stopping power. Got it up to about 36 miles per hour, pretty good speed. Overall, some really good pros. On the con side, thumb throttle, which is a pro, got stuck a little bit. So, And I don't know if it got stuck so much or there's a delay. There seems to be a little bit of a delay in that. And then it takes off a little bit, so it scares you a little bit. So you gotta really get used to it. Other thing that's bad, it's a small battery. Now I can't complain, they sent me the scooter. It's an 18 amp hour battery. If you're looking to get about 20, 25 miles, you're gonna be cool. I'm always looking to go far, big adventures, so I would want a bigger battery. Also, to get this battery fully charged, it took about 10 to 12 hours, which is a long time. So that's kind of the negatives of it.
The deck is a little short as well. I'd say this big folding mechanism takes up a little bit of space here in the front, and so your feet width for a tall guy like me is going to be taken away a little bit, but not so bad. Tires, even though they're 4 inches, they feel a little squirrely. I don't know if it's because maybe the scooter's so light, it's only 60 pounds, and so I feel like it's just a light scooter and kind of squirrely. I did a little get on my knee action and I almost ate it kind of thing, because woo, I had some really good tilt on it, and it just kind of came unexpectedly. So just inexperience with the scooter, different style, all good. Suspension has taken the roads really well. It's got a lot of give, a lot of return. It does not have a shock on it really per se, so it is how it is, and I like it. They did a good job with the setup. So overall, guys, the Joyer S10 scooter, I cannot complain. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Yeah, it's got a small battery. Yeah, it takes forever to charge. And yeah, the thumb throttle gets a little delayed, but once you get used to that, you got a great scooter that looks good, functions well, goes pretty fast, stops well, has a cool display. Yeah, it's a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate you tuning in, and I'll catch you on that next ride, huh? All right.